Hi everyone, this is Shubham and welcome to our UiPath tutorial. So in this video, we're going to discuss about how to take user input, right? So till now we have seen scraping the text and scraping the text from application, web application stuff. Let's go ahead and see how to take a user input. So for that, suppose I'll create one flowchart. Here the flowchart I've created, I will give it a name as input sample, right? Input sample has been open. Now I'm gonna see for activities. So again, taking an input is an activity, right? So just type in search bar input and take this input dialog and double click on it. So it will ask you multiple questions over here. First question is gonna be dialog title. So there's a pop-up box that's gonna get open, and over there you'd see multiple information that what kind of input you've been taking. So suppose I will write it as I need to take input as city. All right. Then input label I would rate it as city name, and then what kind of it. There are multiple choices like multiple input you're gonna take. You can separate it by comma or just single. So let's go with single, and we'll save it and go here and connect our start over this activity and let's run it. We might see error, and we have seen error. Why we have seen error? You'll clearly see that needed to be stored in quotes, right? Everything needed to be stored in quote. So I'm gonna do that. Text box is text box. All right. Now let's run it again. So see, dialog title you have given city, right? So you have seen the dialog title as city, input label as a city name, and any city you're gonna enter. So it can be, and then here you can enter your value. So any value, and you click on OK, and your test case gonna get passed. Okay. Now, suppose we've been seeing how to print stuff using message box. So this kind of message box used to get open, right? Now we're gonna see what we're gonna see how to write in console. So write in console, you'll find simple activity write line. Place it over here and write any text. So that text, let's see, sample text, and I need to run it. Let's see. Excuse me. So I need to connect this. Suppose I'll connect this after this input box itself, right? We'll see both of the activities executed at one, and it is showing some kind of error. So yeah, that needed to be stored in double comma or course, as you can say. I missed that again. Now our error is gone, and we'll see what happened. So first, our input activity is gonna get performed, and I guess it has opened. Yeah. So you just need to enter anything, and then write line. So sample text has been printed on the console. So here are two ways where you can take the input from the user, and you can write your output message or anything except like where we've been previously doing using message box. There is another way. If you want to print it on console, you can always use write line. So in the next lecture, we're gonna do our, so till now we have already like almost covered the basic activities, creating a flow chart, creating activities, what is sequence, what is actually hyper automation, then using multiple design which has been provided, or UI Explorer which has been provided by UiPath for our hyper automation related stuff. So from the next lecture, we're going to discuss a scenario based activity that will bring out and that will help us more to understand what is the logic, how we're going to look into the things, and what and all activity we can use using UiPath. Till that time, thank you so much.